types of carbohydrates. One is simple and other is complex. Simple carbohydrates, they are commonly known as sugar. Means the food item which have more sugar, they are said to be as simple carbohydrates. Now you see which are there. Those who are having sugar more, they are sugar, honey, milk, yogurt, chocolate, fruit juice, jam and biscuit. These are the simple carbohydrate. Okay. Here most commonly what is found here? Sugar. Then complex. They contain starch in it along with the sugar. What is complex? They contain starch along with the sugar. Now which are the food items? They are converted simple carbohydrates during digestion. Food that contains complex carbohydrates include potato, sweet potato, spinach, broccoli, beans, lentils, whole grain and other leguminous plants and vegetables. Now how can you distinguish? When you cut potato, you see sometimes your hands become little bit dark, isn't? When you touch this sweet potato also, you see little bit sticky also. When you boil potato, sweet potato, you will feel little bit sticky also. Are you? When you are feeling that sticky, means that contains starch in it. Okay? Like rice. Rice when you eat, you will feel a little sticky. So these are the products, which food items which contain little thickness. It means there is a presence of starch in it. Sweet potato, when you eat, you feel little bit sweetness also in it. Na? Little bit sweetness is there in the sweet potato. The very good example is about the carbohydrate is sweet potato only, because you can feel their presence of sugar as well as presence of starch. Na? Next, some example it is given whole grains. Grains, when you cook, you feel little bit stickiness. Then some plants and vegetables also are there which are having carbohydrate present in it. Then next comes about fat. What is fat? Do you have fat in your body? Why you need fat? It is also energy giving food. Fat is also energy giving food. They provide almost double the energy of the carbohydrate. Okay? Fat is also the energy giving food. They provide almost double the amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates. Fats are essential for the body in moderate quantity. Why fat is essential? It is also essential in moderate quantity. You must not take too much fat. You should not take too much fat for your diet. Otherwise, what will happen? What will happen? Body will only gain weight, and your organs will become weak. It should be taken adequate amount so that you may have energy to work. Fats they act as insulator, helping us maintain the correct body temperature. What is insulator? Insulator does not take part in the activity. Okay, what is insulator? It does not take part in the activity, but it helps the body to work. Okay, insulator does not take part, but it helps the body to work. Fats are essential for proper brain function. They provide cushion and protect our vital organs. What the fat do? They are essential for proper brain function and they provide cushion and protect our vital organs. Means vital organs are which one? Some other vital organs are present in your body. So for functioning of it, it helps you. Without fats, our organs would be more prone to damage. If you doesn't have fat, so there is a condition for that organs will be damaged also. So you should take fat in adequate amount. They are body building of hormones and also insulate the nervous system tissues in the body. For what they are? They are body building blocks of hormones. Means they are building the hormones present in your body and insulate nervous system, make your nervous system fit and fine. Food that contain fats are butter, cream, vegetable oil, ghee, nut, fish and meat. when you will take all these food items, then you will be fulfilling the fats required by the body. Then next comes protein. Till now we have studied about that carbohydrates and this fats are useful for energy giving. Okay, fats and carbohydrates are used for energy giving. Now protein, it is used for building blocks of life. For what protein is used? Building blocks of life. They build, maintain and repair or replace the worn out cells from tissue and tissues in the body. Which are the worn out cells and tissues present in your body that can be removed by presence of protein in your body. They help for that only. Muscles, organs and an immune system are built mostly of protein, by which your immune system is being made, or organs and muscles, they are being built by the protein present in your body. It is given the muscles, organs and immune system are built mostly of proteins. They help in the growth of the body and protects us from various diseases. For what they are protecting you? They are protecting you from the various diseases. Means when you are suffering, you may see in some cases you suffer because there is less amount of protein present in body. So if you have adequate amount of protein present in your body, you will be protected from some of the diseases. Protein can also provide energy when carbohydrates and fats are in the short of supply. Okay, when protein can provide energy? When there is a less amount of fats and carbohydrates present in your body. Food containing proteins are called bodybuilding food. Food that contain protein include pulses, peas, soybean, groundnuts, meat, fish, egg and milk. What are the food containing protein? They are pulses, peas, soybeans, groundnut, meat, fish, egg and milk. These are the bodybuilding foods. Okay, so there is a necessary of fat as well as carbohydrate as well as protein to take in an adequate amount of, so that they may give energy and they are used for bodybuilding food items. Okay, now let us discuss about the vitamins present in your body. The term vitamin was given by a Polish scientist Cesar Funk. Vitamins, by his name only vitamins has been given name, are essential for the proper functioning of our body. They are required by our body but in very small quantities as compared to carbohydrate, fats and protein. Means vitamins are also essential for your body but not as much as protein, carbohydrate and fats are needed. It is needed in small amount. Vitamins are needed for keeping us fit and healthy. For what vitamins are needed? To keep you fit and healthy. They play important roles in body functions such as metabolism, immunity and digestion. They are known as protective food as they protect the body against various diseases. They also help in keeping the bones, teeth, gums and eyes healthy. For what things your vitamins are needed? They are needed to keep your bones, teeth, eyes healthy. And they are not needed in much quantity. In very small quantity they are needed by your body. Which are the things which are needed more by your body? That are protein, fats and carbohydrate. But vitamins are also necessary for bodybuilding. So they are also needed for keeping you healthy and fit. But they play important role in the body functions such as metabolism, then immunity and digestion of the food which you take in. For these purposes they are being used. Then, vitamins are several types. Vitamins are mainly how many types? Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and vitamin K. Okay, so how many types together they are? 6 types of vitamins are present. Okay, vitamin B and C dissolve in water, means they are water dissolvable vitamins. Which are those? Vitamin B and vitamin C. and they are not stored in our body. We need to continuous supply of these vitamins. Okay, they are not stored. Whenever they are required, we have to take it and they can be taken out. So B and C are always needed by our body. They are not stored in body, so you have to take continuously in your diet. Vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay, A, D, E and K dissolve in fat before absorbing into the blood. Where C, B and C dissolve in water and A, D, E are dissolved in fat. Okay, there is a difference between both. And then it is being absorbed by the blood. Okay, blood also contains some fat, so that after dissolving in this fats, they are then dissolved in blood. These are known as fat soluble vitamins. Previous one was water soluble vitamins B and C, and A, D, E are fat soluble vitamins. They are stored in our body and used whenever needed by our body. Where they are stored? They are stored by the body, and wherever it is needed, they are being taken. They are not needed every day in our diet. When they are needed, whenever there is a requirement, that time you can use it. But they are not needed daily in your diet. Each vitamins play a specific role in our body. Shortage of any vitamins over a long period leads to a deficiency diseases. We will study further which are the deficiency diseases which you will suffer if there is a less amount of vitamins present in your body. So you need vitamins but not too much. The best way to meet our vitamins need is to eat balanced diet containing a variety of food. Means all the food whichever are present you should take, because every food items have different types of energy giving sources. If you cannot meet your needs through food alone, you may require dietary supplements. The table given below lists some important vitamins, their functions and food sources. Some vitamins are which one? Vitamin A. For what it helps? Keep skin, hair and eyes healthy. If you have sufficient amount of vitamin A, then your skin, hair and eyes will be healthy. Papaya, mango, pumpkin, carrot, milk and milk products, cod liver oil are needed for it. Okay, which are the food sources are there? Papaya, mango, pumpkin, carrot, milk and milk products. Then vitamin B. For what vitamin B is needed? Helps in digestion and proper function of the heart and nerves. For what it is needed? For proper function of heart and nerves, and it also helps in digestion. What are the food items which you have to take in for it? That are milk, green vegetable, peas, eggs, yeast and cereal. What are those? Milk, green vegetable, peas, eggs, yeast and cereals. Then next comes vitamin C. Okay, so for what vitamin C is used? Helps in healing wounds and fight infections. For what it is used? It helps in healing wounds and fights infections. So, and what are the food items you need for it? That are citrus fruits, vegetables like gooseberry, orange, lemon, tomatoes. These are the citrus food which you should take in adequate amount for keeping vitamin C in adequate amount in your body. Then comes vitamin D. It helps the body to absorb calcium which makes bone and teeth strong. For what vitamin D is needed? To keep your bones and teeth strong. And from where do you get? From sunlight, milk, butter, eggs, cod liver oil. These are the food sources from which you get the vitamin D. Then comes vitamin E. Keeps the body and skin healthy. For what vitamin E is needed? To keep your body and skin healthy. And from where you get this? From almonds, egg, yolk, wheat, grain, vegetables, oil, green leafy vegetable. These are the sources of food from which you get vitamin E. Then last one is vitamin K, which helps in blood clotting. Sometimes you see when you have bleeding, the blood clotting is needed, otherwise the blood will fall from your body. So you will have deficiency of blood. So for that vitamin K is needed. And you get this from cheese, wheat bran, green leafy vegetables, spinach, lettuce and cabbage. These are the things from which you will get the vitamin K. Now last food, energy giving food is minerals. Last one is your minerals. Like vitamins, minerals are essential nutrients needed by our body in a small amount. Vitamins are also needed in small amount. Same way, minerals are also needed in small amount by our body. Minerals help the body to grow, develop and stay healthy. For what the minerals are needed? To grow, develop and stay healthy. They do not give energy but are required by the body for various functions. What is about the minerals? They are not needed our body. They do not give energy but they are needed by our body for various functions like building strong bones, formation of red blood cells, proper functioning of circulatory and nervous system, etc. For these are the reasons minerals are needed, and some minerals are given below in the table. So what are the minerals which are needed by our body? Calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium and potassium. Okay. Calcium, it is needed for strengthen bones and teeth. Milk product, meat, egg, green vegetables are needed by. Then phosphorus, strengthen body, bones and teeth. Milk, meat, fish, egg, pulses, vegetable, whole grains is needed. Iron forms hemoglobin in body which carry oxygen in the blood. Okay. Green leafy vegetable, apple, lentils, nuts, meat, egg and yolk are needed. Iodine helps in proper functioning of thyroid gland, regulates growth and metabolism. They are seafood, iodized salt, mineral water, food grown in iodine rich soil. Sodium and potassium regulates the total amount of water in the body, keeps muscles and nerves working properly. And what are the food sources? Table salt, milk, pulses, fruit and vegetable. These are the main sources of food which are needed. So there are many, these are the food items which you need by your body to keep you fit and healthy. Okay, from these sources of only you can keep your body fit and healthy.